Hello class 1, how are you? I hope all of you are good, isn't it? And be at home and be happy. Okay, stay safe, be happy, study, play, be with your parents, your brothers and sisters, isn't it? So, children here, now I'll conduct your English literature class and the name of the book is New Mulberry, isn't it? And in the previous class, we were doing use of A and N, and we were doing page number 31, isn't it, of chapter 2. Okay, at the chapter 2, this is Priya's friend. This explanation we have completed in the previous class. Then, thereafter, we have done the question answers also. Then we did the use of A and N. Where to make use of A and where to make use of N before a noun. Isn't it? This thing is clear to you. Today we will do page number 33, exercise 2. See, page number is 33. Okay, this is page number 32. Page number 32 of chapter 2. Clear? And the number is exercise is 2. This exercise. So children, take out a pencil in your hand and an eraser so that whatever I'll tell, you will go on writing. Okay, in the book itself. So here the question is, read with me, A and N have not been used correctly in some of the sentences given here. Find the sentences with an error in them. Rewrite them as correct sentences. Now see children, in this, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sentences are given. Okay. And here the use of A and N are done has not been used correctly. The use of A and N has not been done correctly. So what you have to do? You have to write them. You have to correct the errors and then rewrite them as correct sentences. So better you do in the CW copy. You make the correction here and then rewrite them nicely in the CW copy. Clear? A and N are not used correctly in the sentences given. 8 sentences are there, and where the use of A and N are A and N. I am writing here A and N. Okay. So A and N we have to write before countable. We write before countable noun, isn't it? So we know some rules where to use A in front of noun and where to use N, isn't it? So, but in the sentences given here, they are not written correctly. There are errors in the sentences. You have to correct them. Okay. Now see, number 1, 2A. 2A. See. And one thing, again I will repeat. Okay. See, we use A in front of the word that begins with the vowel sound. Isn't it? We write N. Where do we write N? We write N in front of the words that begins with a vowel sound. What are vowels? We know A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Clear? Where do we use N before the noun word that begins with A, E, I, O, U, and they are known as vowels. Isn't it? In the previous class we have done, isn't it? So, and we use A in front of those words that begins with a consonant sound. So, remember this and then you do the exercise given on page number 32. Okay. And exercise is 2. See, number 1, A is, there is an kitten in the house. An kitten. N, kitten. Is it correct? K-I-T-T-E-N. N, kitten. I'm writing the where the error is. Okay. So N, kitten. See, K is a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. So before consonant, what we'll write? A or N? We will use A, not N. So this is wrong. What we have to write? A kitten. So rewrite the same sentence without the error in the CW copy. Okay. So you have to write the correct sentences in the CW copy, language copy. Now number B you see, there is an insect on the floor. There is an insect on the floor. An insect. Insect is noun. An insect. An insect. So, see, I is what? Vowel. A, E, I, O, U. We know that vowel. So, before vowel, in front of vowel, what we write? N. So, this is correct. Number B is correct. Now, come to number C. There is a glass on the table. There is an glass. See, an glass. You have to write full sentence, okay? I'm not writing the full sentence. I'm showing you the errors. Okay, you have to write the full sentence correctly. An glass. Here see, again it is not correct. G is consonant. The word glass begins with a consonant sound. So what will write? N or A? We will not write N. We will write A. Isn't it? Now come to number D. Number D. Do you read out the sentence? My brother sleeps in a cot. D. My brother sleeps in a cot. In a cot. A cot. It is correct because consonant sound, cot. Cot begins with a consonant sound and we have used A in front of the word cot. So it is correct. Okay. Now move to number E. Read out, see what is written in number E. Number E is I have an watermelon. Number E. An watermelon. An watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit. So see again, an watermelon. Is it correct? Water. W. W is vowel or consonant? Consonant or vowel. See? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So it is consonant W. Isn't it? So it will take A or N. It will not take N. It is wrong. You have to write A. So I have a watermelon. Okay. Now if. If. My mother drives an car. Mother drives an car. So see, consonant sound. Here it's written N. Again it's wrong. It will be a car. Car begins with a vowel consonant sound. As it begins with C. F, G. Now G is Manu wants a apple. A apple. So you think, is it correct? Apple. The word apple begins with the letter A. A is vowel and we know that before vowel we use N. So it is wrong. What we have to write? An apple. Isn't it? Now H. Number H. There is an owl on that branch. Number H. There is an owl on that branch. An owl. N-O-W-L. So owl begins with the letter O. So O is what? It's a vowel sound letter, isn't it? So O is vowel. A-E-I-O. O. So it starts with, owl begins with the letter O, which is a vowel. So an owl is written. So it is correct. Okay. So I have shown you how to write. I have given you the concept, how we will think, how we will make correct use of A and N in a sentence, isn't it, before a noun. So this one you will do in the CW copy Okay, language CW copy, where we will put the exact number and then write the sentence. I have not written the full sentence. I am telling you again and again. Okay, but you have to write in full sentences. Like number 1, there is an kitten in the house. So what you will write? There is a kitten in the house. Full sentence. Next, there is an insect on the floor. This is correct. Okay. You again write this one, no problem. Don't leave any number, otherwise it will be a confusion. So you write it, this is correct. Okay. Or correct one you will write. No matter if you write twice also. Now number C, there is an glass on the table. You will write there is a glass. This way you will complete this. Okay. Clear? Have you got it? Okay. Thank you.